bitch, ass fat. 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Thank you so much, Eunice Hair, for sending over this wig for me to review. Wig cap, a scarf, lashes, a brush, two combs in the front, one in the back with adjustable straps, the parting, really soft, little to no shedding. It does have a little smell, but the smell can come out by washing the wig. The color is ginger orange, curly, cheek part lace closure wig. Middle part, 100% Brazilian fall color, human hair, pre-plucked with baby hairs, 150% density, 16 inches. The price is $109. Use your clips to pin your hair back.
All I think about is you, even when I'm with my boo.
Cut the size of the lace.
For you, no matter what I do, all I think about is you, even when I'm with my boo. You know I'm crazy over you.
Cut the middle. Got to be glue spray to melt the lace.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block from me. She got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay.
Put your hair in a ponytail.
On my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting and in no time. I bet I make this with her mine.
Silky sack, lace band, melt.
There's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you.
Blow dry the lace.
I'm with my boo. Oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about the girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day, hey. As you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. It's too sweet, now that's gangsta. And I got special ways to thank ya, but don't you forget it, but
She's bound wax stick to let her flyaways down.
you and Dirty got ties for different reasons, I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo.
Okay.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby.
Flatten the top of the wig.
Can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Tonight is on a island. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just another without you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, that's on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, that's on nothing.
Here's what the lace is looking like. I definitely loved Silky Psych lace band melt. It definitely laid my lace down really nicely.
Cups overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth?
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, 'cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape.